Let's make these beautiful Tricolour cupcakes for Independence Day. Mix flour, sugar, baking powder, milk, oil, yogurt, and vanilla into a smooth batter. Fill the cupcake liners halfway and bake at 180 degrees Celsius until golden and fluffy. For the frosting, whip chilled cream with icing sugar until light and fluffy. Divide the frosting into 3 portions and color the first saffron orange. Keep the second portion plain white for the middle of our Tiranga. Color the third portion vibrant green and transfer all 3 into piping bags. Pipe the 3 colors onto each cooled cupcake to create the beautiful Tiranga design. And there you have it, soft, creamy and beautiful Independence Day cupcakes. Make these for your family and celebrate with something sweet. Happy Independence Day!